Okay, everybody, thank you so much, everyone, for joining my live stream today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join my live. Thank you so much, everybody. So, this is the newly added launch pool. Get launch pool newly added Tokyo Games token TGT. Okay, Tokyo Games token TGT. Stake BTC ETH TGT to earn rewards delivered in real time, everyone. Okay, you will be able to earn rewards delivered in real time. So, this is the Tokyo Games token TGT will be launched on Get Launch Pool. Stake BTC ETH TGT to earn TGT token rewards every hour. Staking period is May 21st, 2025 at 12 to May 31st, 2025 at 12 UTC. Alright everyone, so timeline is given here. Alright everybody, timeline is given here. Just have a look on the timeline. It has already started everybody and it is in process. Okay, it is in process. Total staking reward is this much. Okay, everybody, total staking reward is 5 crore 25 lakh. Okay, everybody, it's 5 crore 25 lakh TGT. Okay, this is the total staking rewards for you, everyone. Unlocking rules, if you wants to know, it's 100% unlocking. Oh, all right. Get launch pool allows users to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project officially launches, ensuring you start earning rewards immediately once mining begins. Okay, everyone. Rewards distribution is also a very important part of this session. So, the system will distribute token rewards to users' spot accounts every hour based on the proportion of assets tracked by each user. Okay, we'll go through the get.io launch pool frequently asked questions as well. How to participate, everyone? Here is the question: how to participate. So you need to log in to your get account and complete identity verification. Okay, navigate to launch pool. You need to hold at least this much of BTC, this much of ETH, and 1 TGT, and you will be able to click stake. Okay, exclusive staking limit privileges for VIP users. Okay, so VIP users, this is the exclusive staking limit privileges for VIP users. So VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive staking limits when participating in a launch pool up to up to 500% staking limit bonus. Staking limit bonus is 500%, everybody. 500% staking limit bonus. Okay. Exclusive staking limit privileges for VIP users, everyone. Okay, so ये VIP users के लिए exclusive limit है यहाँ पे bonus. Project information is also given here. So let me give you a short disclaimer. Later on, I'll take you a deep dive of the detailed information of this project, everyone. Okay, so TGT will take Web3 gaming to the next level as the only platform featuring truly fun AAA games made in Japan. By bringing various genres of games into the TGT ecosystem, we will convert gamers' passion into value and establish a sustainable token economy. All right, website is also given here. I will go through this website as well. GetLab investment disclosure. GetLab did not invest in Tokyo Games token TGT. Okay, everybody. Notes is also given here. Okay, so this is the very important notes, everyone. Don't you forget to do some likes, everyone. So, Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, please complete identity verification before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. An occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. Where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Get reserves all rights to the final explanation. This event not affiliated with Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom and others restricted locations cannot access the services. Uh, okay, explaining like my English teacher. Oh, thank you. I will take it as a compliment. Thank you so much. Thank you, Janu BNB. Thank you so much. So yeah, risk warning is also included here. I'll take a look on this. Okay. First of all, this was the launch pool session. Now this is also the TGT launch pool. So it is in progress, everybody. You can start staking now. Okay, and it will end in 9 days. Okay. So the timeline is given here. TGT will take Web3 gaming to the next level as the only platform featuring truly fun AAA games made in Japan by bringing various genres of games into the TGT ecosystem. We will convert gamers' passion into value and establish a sustainable token economy. Okay, BTC launch pool is given here. Total staking rewards. Just have a look on the data. Token staked BTC. Mining days is of 100 days, which has already been started from yesterday onwards, which was 21st of May. Total staked is this much. Total participants is 2751. Price pool hourly cap is this much TGT. Individual hourly cap and the APR is 3.62%. VIP 10 BTC ETH pool will see is this much TGT. ETH is also given, it is the game available for mobile users. 10 days. All right. So this is the information of the data. TGT. We'll see the TGT. Okay. So here the total staking rewards is this much of TGT token. 10 days mining period. Okay, everyone, participants, you can see the number of participants. They have a huge number of participants. Okay. So this is the information, basic information which I have given you. Now just take a dive of the brief detailed explanation of this wonderful Tokyo Games token. Okay, Tokyo Games token and how you are going to get benefits from this amazing launch pool. Okay, amazing launch pool of the get.io. So this is the first Japanese triple A token. All right, everybody. Yes, one thing I would like to clear out here, everyone. If somebody wanted to ask me any questions, please feel free to ask me, everyone. I'm here to help you out, everybody. Please clear out your doubt, interact with me, ask me the questions, everybody. Okay. So buy TGT. What you need to do, buy TGT. You can purchase TGT from the exchanges. Okay, everybody. triple A to the next level, which is possible. Games are something you can get lost in. However, Web3 games haven't reached that level yet. Okay, so Web3 games are currently in development. Up until now, new experiences have been created in the form of games such as tokenomics and P2E. However, no titles have been able to attain sustainable success. The only reasons for this must be that they all lacked the most important aspect required for any game to succeed, being genuinely fun to play. That is very much important. What this industry truly needs right now is a highly quality games. Okay, highly quality games. Tokyo Games will take Web3 games to the next stage. Next stage as the only platform that gathers genuinely fun AAA games created in Japan. By collecting games of all genres on our unique chain and thereby converting the enthusiasms of the game fans everywhere into real value, we will make sustainable tokenomics a reality. Okay, tokens. So, Japanese, okay, Japan's first ever AAA games exclusive token and the blockchain. So, the Tokyo Games token utilizes Web3 and AAA games to target gamers everywhere. It is set to carve out a completely new economic zone unlike any that has come before. Okay, everybody. So now the AA multi-hit model. Okay, everybody, the AAA multi-hit model as a common token. All right, everybody, as a common token, the Tokyo Games token will be used to attract and develop multiple AAA games. Okay, everybody, this is the brief information which I am giving you about the tokens. Okay, AAA, these high quality game projects will expand and economic reach will also diversifying risk. Okay, everybody, diversifying risk. Now here the base token, the Tokyo Games token is developed on a proprietary blockchain technology and can be used across all gaming products. Its purpose, okay, what is the purpose? Extends beyond merely expanding the economic zone. It will also enrich the user's experience, which project, this is the project Tokyo Games. Tokyo Games token TGT. This is the project newly added launch pool Crypto 9x. This is the project. Okay, so it will also enrich the user experience by bringing together, okay, by bringing together a diverse collection of games. Basically, this is the games which has been designed for the users. Okay, common currency unit. Okay, so can be used as currency in blockchain games on the platform. Okay, everybody, can be used on the currency, can be used as currency in blockchain games on the platform. So this is the stake. On-chain item, on-chain item, on-chain item, stake. Okay. Staking is also given here by holding TGT. Okay, everybody. By holding TGT, users will be able to acquire on-chain items that can be used in games, everyone. That can be used in games. Okay. So this is the very important information which I am giving you right now, everybody. if somebody wanted to ask me any question related to this wonderful project, please feel free to ask me the questions, everybody. Okay, chalo everybody. Okay, so by holding TGT, users will be able to acquire on-chain items that can be used in games. All right. So governance, betting, voting used to facilitate voting for governance or being functions. Okay, or being functions. So this is the game title. Can you see how beautifully they have designed their website, everybody? Their website is beautifully designed everywhere, everybody. Isn't it, everyone? Okay, देख सकते हो this Tokyo Beast experience a new form of entertainment. Yes, exactly, that's what I was talking about. They are giving you something different experience, and here it is written is that key experience a new form of entertainment by combining web3 and gaming. Okay, everybody, they are bringing entertainment in your um, investment process, investment journey. Whether whether participating as a player, an NFT holder, or a better, or there are various ways to get involved. Join the championship where elite players clash and witness the intense battles firsthand. Okay, game screen, Beast NFT World. Okay, everybody. So just have a look, guys. They have beautifully designed their whole website, everybody. Look forward to hit a Web3 world that no one has ever seen before is on the horizon, waiting to be discovered. This is not just a promise, but a glimpse into a future filled with unparalleled possibilities. Imagine a realm where innovation and imagination merge. All right. So, where innovation and imagination merge to create experiences beyond our wildest dreams. Get ready because the journey is about to begin, which has already begun, everyone. Okay, everybody. So this was the about partners, tokens, utilities, and the game titles. Okay, this was the brief introduction, brief information about this token games, token launch pool. Okay, partners. What are the partner? Who are the partners? Tokens, utilities, game titles. Okay, now what is game Tokyo Games token? Okay, everybody. So this is the white paper. So Tokyo Games token TGT. Guys, again I am saying this. If anybody have any doubt, okay, wanted to clear out your doubt, please speak out. You can send your query in the inbox channel, everybody. I will read it out and share the information for the same. Again, welcoming everyone. So Tokyo Games token, which is TGT, is an in-game token crypto asset issued by Play 3 Limited, everybody. So token name is given here, which is Tokyo Games token. Okay, Tokyo Games token. Ticker symbol is TGT, everybody. Okay, maximum number of issuance, just have a look on the data, everybody, for the maximum number of issuance. Okay, everyone, for the maximum number of issuance, You can just have a look on the data. Token issuer is Play 3 Limited. Okay, Play 3 Limited. Chen, immutable, immutable. Contract address they have provided you. Okay, they have provided the contact address as well. Okay, everybody. This is the basic information which I am giving you. Okay, everybody, if somebody wanted to know something about this wonderful project, you can send your query, everyone. ठीक है, चलो. The future realized by TGT. Move up to the next stage, which is Web3 into AAA game. Web3 games to date have created new experiences as games such as token economics and the concept of play to earn. However, any game titles have not achieved sustained success yet. This is because, okay, this is because most of the existing Web3, okay, everybody, most of the existing Web3 games miss the element of genuinely fun to play. Yes, this is very much important. You need to understand, everybody, that what the essential element that a game, such game misses. Okay, so this is the genuinely fun to play. Exactly, which we believe the most important aspect of games. Oh yeah, which I also personally believe that the most important aspect of the games is genuine fun. Okay, genuine fun, greater experience, and entertainment as well. So it is the high quality game. You need to read out this line again. This is the high quality game. Which one? Which is Tokyo Games Token TGT, that people need in the current Web3 gaming field as the only platform full of genuinely fun AAA games made in Japan. Play 3 Limited will bring Web3 games to the next stage. We will realize sustainable token economics by collecting games of all genres on its own chain and converting the passion of game fans of all types into value. Okay, everybody. What is TGT? Okay, everybody. What is TGT, everyone? What is TGT? What is TGT? So TGT is the token in the area of TGT is the token in the area of Web3 AAA games. Okay. With this token, we will target all the games players and create a completely brand new token economics, which we never had. Okay, everyone, which we never had. Okay. TGT is utilized as a common token to attract and develop multiple AAA games. Multiple high quality game products enable us to realize expansion of token economics and risk diversification. TGT is a common token which we can use for all games and products deployed on a proprietary chain. Okay, proprietary chain. Not only does it expand its token economics, okay, everybody, not only does it expand its token economics, but it also increases the variety and depth of the user experienced by cross multiple games. Utilities of TGT, everybody. What are the utilities of the TGT? So the following utilities are planned for TGT. So common currency. Common currency utilities is also very much important, everybody. This is the common currency. Holders can use TGT as a payment currency in blockchain games on the platform. Staking. By holding TGT, holders can get on-chain items which can be used for each game titles on the platform. Voting. TGT is used for user voting, including governance and betting functions. Okay, including governance and betting functions. Okay, next is tokenomics, everybody, which is a very important topic of this live stream, live session. दिस इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. ये क्या है ये देख ले. हाँ, ये तो देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ये भी पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. चलो, वेस्टिंग शेड्यूल. विल सी द वेस्टिंग शेड्यूल ऑफ दिस न्यूली एडेड लॉन्च पूल. सो टीम एंड डेवलपमेंट पे 15%. ओके, टीम एंड डेवलपमेंट पे 15% का है. द कोर टीम and development that contributed to building out Tokyo Beast, Tokyo Games Foundation and other games development. 0% unlocked at TGE, 12-month lock period, linear vesting from the 13th month to the 48th month. Okay, advisors 0.23%. Our advisors bring industry expertise and guidance to support the launch and long-term growth of the ecosystem. 10% unlocked at TGE, no cliff period, linear vesting from the first month to the 12th month, everybody. Okay. Foundational stakeholders 2.15%. Okay, everybody, foundational stakeholders 2.15%. Our foundational stakeholders are key contributors and early supporters who have played a crucial role in the foundation, which is 10% unlocked at TGE, 6-month cliff period, linear vesting from the 7th month to the 30th month. Okay. Ecosystem growth pool, which is 40%. Okay, everybody, which is 40%. So the ecosystem growth pool is dedicated to fueling the expansion of TGT by supporting partnerships, community initiatives, and overall growth. Decreasing annual unlock schedule. First year 22%, second year is 21%, third year 20%, fourth year is 19%, and the fifth year is 18%. Okay, airdrops and marketing section. Okay, everybody, airdrop and marketing sections will see. So they have invested 11.27% to reward our earliest supporters and community, along with building awareness for the ecosystem. 40% unlocked at TGE, linear vesting from the first month to the 48th month, everyone. Okay. Foundation fund, which is 21.35%. Okay, everybody, so we'll see. The foundation fund is utilized to support core development, operations, and strategic initiatives. 0% unlocked at TGE, linear vesting from the first month to the 40th month. Okay, everybody. So game product plans to be launched on TGT. This is the very important. Okay, everybody. First product is _ Tokyo Beast. So what are all the game products are going to be planned to be launched on TGT ecosystem? Tokyo Beast. Okay everyone, so this is the here official website ये दिया हुआ है टोक्यो बिस्ट का. ऑफिशियल XEN ये भी दिया हुआ है x.com, XJP, official Discord and the white paper which I have already read out. Okay, so you have seen the game product plan to be launched on TGT ecosystem. First product, Tokyo Beast. Okay everybody, so Tokyo Games token the fusion of Web3 and AAA games. Okay everybody, this is the fusion. Alright everyone, this is the fusion of Web3 and AAA games. This is the very important update which I will give you right now everybody. Please stay connected, okay? Very important update which I am going to give you right now. So in the web of deep, in the wave of deep integration of blockchain technology and the gaming industry, okay, and the gaming industry, Tokyo Games Token TGT is the first to focus on Japan's 3A label games. Web3 ecological tokens with their innovative economic model, strong lineup of partners, and unique game experience have quickly become the focus of market attention. This article will delve into the core value, application scenarios, and future potential of GT, providing readers with a comprehensive perspective everybody. Okay, background and core positioning of the project, very important. This subject is everybody, this information is background and the core, okay, core positioning of the project. So TGT is led by the well-known Japanese gaming company Play3 Limited, aiming to solve the pain point of the lack of fun in blockchain games by integrating Web3 technology with high quality gaming content. Its ecosystem's flagship game, Tokyo Beast, is set in future in 21-24. 21-24 set in future, I think 2024 होना चाहिए, where players engage in battles and beats by collecting and training AI driven beats, is set in future Tokyo. Okay, Beast robots combining NFT ownership and on-chain economy to create an immersive entertainment experience. This project is supported by industry giants such as SBI Holdings. Okay, everybody, you need to listen this very carefully, everybody. The project is supported by industry giants such as SBI Holdings, Immutable Polygon, and collaborates with leading Japanese games developers Gumi Inc. and CY Games, aiming to penetrate the Japanese gaming market and enter the global Web3 gaming sector. Okay, everybody, to enter the global Web3 gaming sector. Token economic model and core functions. Okay, everybody, what are the token economic model and the core functions? So token distribution and supply. Okay, everybody, token distribution and supply. The total supply of GT is 1 billion Okay, everybody, the total supply of GT is 1 billion with allocations covering ecosystem development, which is of 40%, team 13.5%, 5%, liquidity 10%, and airdrop 11.5%, etc. The circulation is controlled through a long term vesting plan to ensure economic stability. Okay, everybody, multi scene application. Okay, everyone, this is the multi scene application. In gaming payments and rewards, TGT is the core currency of Tokyo Beast. Used to purchase items, participate in betting, and exchanging games, resources such as jewels and gems. NFT and staking users can stake TGT to obtain Beast Raw Disk NFT, mint exclusive Beast characters, and increase the value of NFT through nurturing and battling. Okay, everybody, are you all understanding now? These are the multi scene applications of this wonderful project. Okay, now governance and ecosystem expansion. What is the governance and what are the governance and ecosystem expansion? Holders participate in community voting, influencing games, updates, and token policies, while TGT supports cross game interoperability, connecting more AAA level works in the future. Market performance is also given here. What are the market performance? Starting from May 21st, 2025, GT has been synchronously listed on many top exchanges, including Get Significantly Exchanging Liquidity. According to Get market data, on the first day of listing, GT surged more than 170% compared to opening price. Innovative mechanism and ecological advantage. Okay, everybody. Innovative mechanism and ecological advantage is also given here. So NFT agent model. Okay, everybody, what are the NFT agent model? So Tokyo Beast first created the proxy based mechanism, which allows non NFT holders to participate in the game through copies, reducing the threshold of Web3. Okay, while linking the value of NFT with in game performance, forming a dynamic value cycle. Okay, everybody. Tokyo Beast first created the proxy based mechanism, which allows non NFT holders to participate in the game through copies, reducing the threshold of Web3 while linking the value of NFT with the in game performance, forming a dynamic value cycle. Dual system design, which is base and trials. Okay, everybody, they have designed, their system is designed dual system design, which is base and trials. Base, which is web3 side, focused on NFT minting, staking, and asset management. Okay, allowing users to accumulate TGT rewards through on-chain interactions. Trials, which is Web2 side, provides a traditional gaming experience where players earn tokens through competitive ranking, with a proportion of the revenue used to repurchase TGT, supporting the token's value. Okay, everyone. Now, here we have the diversification expansion plan. Okay, everybody. Diversification expansion plan. So, in the future, Clash prediction games, Fusion cross IP collaboration, NFT, animations, and physical goods modules will be launched to build the cryptographic entertainment IP empire. Future outlook is also very much important. You need to know, guys. Okay, future outlook, the long term value of GT. Okay, everybody, the long term value of GT depends on ecosystem expansion and practical applications. With the official launch of Tokyo based on June 8th and subsequent IP integration, its user base with over 1 million pre registration is expected to translate into sustained demand. However, market volatility, game content update speed, and competitive pressures still need to be monitored. Okay. Tokyo Games token TGT injects new vitality. Okay, everybody, they injects new vitality into the blockchain gaming sector by integrating Japan's top gaming development capabilities with the Web3 economic model. Its innovative token design, exchange support, and ecological expansion plan may become a key force driving the upgrade of the play to earn model in the future, where TGT can stand out in the 3A game track is worthy of continuous industry attention. Okay, everybody. So, this was the detailed information. Now, let us talk about some launch pool frequently asked questions, everybody. What are the frequently asked questions of the launch pool? So, what is Get Launch Pool? Okay, everybody, what is Get Launch Pool? So, Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. Okay, everybody, with low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay. How can I participate in Get Launch Pool? First, you need to log into your Get account and navigate to the Get Launch Pool page. Then, okay, everybody, first log into your Get account and you need to navigate to the Get Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in. Let me do a practical here. So, this is the launch pool. Okay, you need to navigate to this launch pool section. Okay, and then you need to choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Which coin can I stake in Get Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of the each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Get Launch Pool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewarded? Okay, everybody, this is the very frequent queries of every investors, that how many tokens will be rewarded. Hourly staking reward is equals to individual latest one are valid staking amount, okay, by total pool staking amount multiplied by hourly reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amounts each hour and take the average staking amount as the valid staking amount. How are rewards distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots. So, yeah, I had already. Okay. When will the staked assets be redeemed? Okay, everybody. So, after the user redeems in advance or the staking is complete, the staked assets will be transferred to simple earned by default. If this option is unchecked, the staked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. If the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. Okay, everybody? If simple earn does not support the claim of the redeemed token, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. Okay, everybody? Yeah, this is also very frequent questions of many investors. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchable projects going on the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new token minings rewards for multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staked separately. If you only stake assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. Yeah, VIP level is also very much important. Will staking assets in the get launch impact my VIP label? So the answer is no, everybody. Okay, it is not at all going to impact your VIP label. No asset staked in the get launch pool will be included in the assets holdings calculation for hodler airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privileges. Okay, everyone. So this was the most important frequently asked questions. Okay, everybody. This is the spot of the get.io. Before that, let us take a dive of the official Twitter handling of this Tokyo Games Foundation. Okay, everybody. So this is the official Twitter handling of the Tokyo Games Foundation, which is at the rate Tokyo Games underscore FDN. Everybody. Okay, underscore FDN. The future of Web3 gaming, a hub for AAA game partners, shaping the gaming ecosystem. Okay, they have joined on February they have joined on February 2025. So they have 3 followings and 27.6 followers. Okay, everybody. The future of Web3 gaming, a hub for AAA game partners. Shaping the gaming ecosystem. All right, everybody. They are shaping the gaming ecosystem. Here the Tokyo Games Foundation TGT article. ओके, तो देख सकते हो यहाँ पे ये सारा हमारा जो है दिया हुआ है. तो यू कैन गो थ्रू देयर ऑफिशियल ट्विटर हैंडलिंग एंड गाइज डू योर ओन रिसर्च एज वेल. ओके, यू कैन डू योर ओन रिसर्च. ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी, देख सकते हो. अब आते हैं हम लोग इसके स्पॉट पे. विल सी द स्पॉट हियर. सो दिस इज द TGT USDT spot, everybody. Okay, this is the ongoing launch pool TGT USDT. Okay, this is why USDT. This is the TGT USDT launch pool whose investment cost in USDT right now is 0.14502, which is giving you a positive percentage changes of 13.98%. Okay, everybody. So just have a look on their volume of increase, everybody. How beautifully they have increased in the market. Okay, everybody. So just have a look how beautifully they have increased in the market. अगर path देखी जाए, तो ये आप वेरिएशंस को अगर एक नज़र डालोगे तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या हमारा यहाँ पे वेरिएशंस देखने को मिल रहा है. ओके एवरीबॉडी, so just have a look on their zigzag pattern. All right, just have a look on their ladder like pattern. Okay, and here you got a very good surge till this. Okay, so something here, this kind of zone we have got to see. We have got to see this kind of zone. Okay everybody, we have got to see this kind of zone. Okay everybody, now you can see here, now you can see here that the price is started increasing here. Okay everybody, price is started increasing here. All right everybody, price हमारा बढ़ता हुआ यहाँ पे नजर आ रहा है. Okay everyone, so you can start staking now because the timeline has started. Okay, from yesterday only. Okay everybody, and we have, okay, so this is the TGT USDT. This is the TGT USDT everybody. Okay, so this is the performance. यहाँ पे 0.1486 से it has taken a downtrend till 0.14041 everyone. Okay, and it is making a very good wave move right now. Right now it is giving here the volume everybody, it is giving here volume. Okay everyone, it is giving here the volume. Okay everybody, this is it here, it is giving a very good volume. Okay, you can take the spot. Okay, now, alright everybody, you can take the spot at this moment because the price has started increasing here. If somebody have any question everybody, if somebody have any question, please feel free to ask me about this wonderful launch pool. Just have a look on the wonderful growth. Okay everybody, just have a look on the wonderful growth, whatever the growth here this project is giving you, this token is giving you. This is the TGT USDT. Okay, this is the TGT USDT Tokyo Games token. Okay everybody, 24-hour highest here it went to 0.1414949. 24-hour lowest is 0.10987. 24-hour volume is 74.47 million. 24-hour turnover is 9.52 million everybody. Oh, 9.52 million everyone. Okay, so this is the, okay, so this is the variations. Okay everybody, this is the variations here. This is the spot of the TGT USDT everybody. This is the spot of the TGT USDT, which is Tokyo Games token TGT. Okay everyone, so guys, do you have any question guys? I think I have provided you as much as information as I can, and if someone wanted to ask any query related to the article, okay, so please ask me. Okay, one thing I have left, so this is the risk warning. Okay, risk warning is very much important everyone. So here the project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. The crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors. Users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project or get. Okay, everybody. So these were the important information which I have provided you about this wonderful project. I hope I have provided you enough information as I can. Okay, everybody. So frequently asked questions. Okay, everybody. Frequently asked questions. Already I have been through this frequently asked questions. Okay, everyone. फ्रिक्वेंटली एस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस में देख लिया है हम लोगों ने. Okay, guys. So this is the spot. Let us take a dive of this spot. Okay. Something we have got a price rejection here. Spot is going good, everybody. You are getting a very good volume also. Spot is going good. You are getting a very good volume as well. Okay, everybody. You are in a very good spot with this TGT USDT. You are in a very good spot with TGT USDT. Okay, this is the Tokyo Games token TGT, the fusion of Web3 and AAA games. Okay, everyone. Okay, थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे ETH देख लेंगे हम लोग, where the ETH spot is going on. Okay, so that ETH BTC आपको strike करना है. So yeah, ETH is also giving a very good variations with a very important profit of plus 117.4, which is also making a positive percentage of plus 4.56%, everybody. So you are in a ahead with plus 114.73%. Okay, sorry, plus 115.60 USDT. देख सकते हो स्पॉट हमारा. दिस इज द ETH USDT स्पॉट. सो ETH USDT स्पॉट पे 4.60% का प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज चेंजेस मिल रहा है. Now BTC USDT, everybody. With BTC USDT, you are in a profit of plus 4,774.3. Okay, डॉलर. तो इतना USDT में आपको प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है, which is with BTC, everybody. Okay, here the investment cost has reached a milestone here. Okay, everyone. Okay, everybody. So this is the but BTC USDT spot percentage changes आप लोगों ने देख लिया. So BTC is also making it's a very very good way in the crypto world, everyone. देख सकते हो increase. We have got to see a very very strong descending channel, everybody. We have got to see a very very strong descending channel. थोड़ा यहाँ down मिल रहा है, but it's not at all a cause of concern. Okay, so you can stake this launch pool. Okay, with BTC pool, ETH pool, and the TGT pool, everybody. All are going in a positive direction. All are going in a positive direction. So this is the BTC pool, ETH pool, and the TGT pool. All are going in a positive direction. I have explained you with the help of this spot. Okay, you have just okay, everybody. ETH is also making a very very good wave. Okay, everybody. Okay, only few seconds are left for you to claim the red packet support. Okay, everybody, again I am saying, so I have shared all the relevant information as I can. If anything else anybody wanted you to know, please feel free to ask. Any questions, my dear ones? All those who have joined, any questions anybody wanted you to ask, guys, please feel free to ask. Okay, please feel free to ask me the questions, everybody. All right. So BTC USDT पे देख सकते हो आप लोग प्रॉफिट कितना मिलता हुआ हमारा. ओके एवरीबॉडी. This is the very important launch pool. Okay, everybody, this is the very, very important launch pool. Okay, everybody. Anything else anybody wanted to know? Please share. Please ask me the questions, everyone. So this live stream is going to be end now in few minutes, everybody. That's why I am saying. Okay, everyone. Okay, everybody. So देख सकते हो, this is the very important topic which was running right now, and I hope everybody has got the enough information. I have provided the enough information as I could. Okay, so I would like to say thank you each and every one, all those who have joined my today's live stream. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining my live stream today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join my live stream. Okay, so this live stream was about the Get Live launch pool Tokyo. Tokyo Games TGT. Tokyo Games Token TGT. Okay, everybody. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining my live. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day, everybody.